In this video, we will be solving exercise 6.3 from the chapter percentage. First main is find the values of the following percentages. First question is 20% of 650. 20% of 650. Here, first step we have to convert the percentage to fraction, then multiply with the quantity. Here 650 is quantity. That is 20 by 100. We can convert the percentage to fraction by dividing it by 100. Then multiply the quantity. Here quantity is 650 into 650. Now we can simplify. This 0 and this 0 gets simplified. Now 10 and 65 both goes in 5 table. 5 2s are 10, 5 13s are 65. Now 2 and 13 does not go in any table, so multiply 20 into 13. 20 into 13, 3 zeros are 0, 6. 20 into 13 is 260. 260 by remaining 2. Now 260 and 2 both goes in 2 table. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 zeros are 0. So answer is 130 by 1. Anything divided by 1 is 130. Next question. B. 140% of 75. B. 140% of 75. First, convert the percentage to fraction. 140 divided by 100 and then multiply with the quantity 75. 100 and 75 goes in 5 table. 5 20s are 100. 5 1s are 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 5s are 25. 15. 20 and 15 again it goes in 5 table. 5 4s are 20. 5 3s are 15. Now 4 and 3 does not go in any table, so multiply 140 into 3. 140 into 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3. 420. 420 divided by remaining 4. Now 420 and 4 both goes in 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 0. 210 and 2. 210 and 2 again goes in 2 table. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 10s are 20. 21 minus 20 is 1. 2 5s are 10. So 105 by 1. Anything divided by 1 is the number itself. So 105. 105 is the answer. Next question. 25% of 1 by 8%. See, 25% of 1 by 8%. Here we have two percentages. One is 25% and one is 1 by 8%. First, let us convert this into fraction. That is 25 by 100. Divide this and write the answer. That is 100 outside, 25 inside. 25 is less than 100. So put a decimal point and add a 0. 100 2s are 200. 250 minus 200 is 50. We already have a decimal point here, so add a 0 here. 100 5s are 500. 500 minus 500 is 0. So answer is 0.25. 0.25. Next, convert 1 by 8 to fraction. 1 by 8 into 1 by 100. 1 by 8 into 1 by 100, multiply 1 ones are 1, 8 hundreds are 800. Now let's divide this. 800 outside and 1 inside. Now 1 is less than 800, so we add a decimal point and add a 0. 10 is still less than 800, we add a 0, add one more 0. 100 is still less than 800, so we add one 0 here, add one 0. Now 800 ones are 800. 1000 minus 800 is 200. Now 200 is less than 800. We already have a decimal point here. We add a 0. 800 twos are 1600. Subtract 2000 minus 6000. You get 400. 400 is less than 800. Since we already have a decimal point here, we add a 0 here. 800 fives are 4000. 4000 minus 4000 is 0. So answer is 0.00125. Now multiply 0.25 and 0.00125. So multiply 0.00125 into 0.25. 5 fives are 25. 5 twos are 10 plus 2, 12. 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6. 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0. Next, 2 fives are 10. 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5. 2 ones are 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0. Again here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 2, 6 plus 5, 11. 2 plus 1, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0. Decimal point after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. So answer is 0.0003125. Next question. 4.5% of 60 centimeter. First convert the percentage to fraction. 4.5 by 100 into 60. Now you can simplify 100 and 60. This 0 and this 0 cancel. 10 and 6 both goes in 2 table. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6. Multiply 4.5 into 3. 4.5 into 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. Decimal point after one digit 13.5. 13.5 remaining 5. Then divide 13.5 by 5. 5 twos are 10. 13 minus 10 is 3. Bring down 5. 5 sevens are 35. 35 minus 35 is 0. Decimal point after one digit. So answer is 2.7 centimeter. Next E. 7 1 by 2% of 56L. First we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 twos are 14 plus 1 15. 15 by 2. Now convert this percentage to fraction. When you convert, it becomes 1 by 100. Here we can simplify 15 and 100. Both goes in 5 table. 5 3s are 15, 5 20s are 100. Multiply this, 3 1s are 3, 2 20s are 40. So 3 by 40. Now you can multiply this with the quantity into 56. 40 and 56 both goes in 2 table. 2 20s are 40, 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 1, 4 is 1, 2 8s are 16. Now again 20 and 28 goes in 2 table. 2 10s are 20, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Again 10 and 14 goes in 2 table. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. Multiply 3 into 7. 3 7s are 21 by 5. Now divide 21 by 5. 5 outside, 21 inside. 5 4s are 20. 21 minus 20 is 1. Put a decimal point, add a 0. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So answer is 4.2 L. 4.2 L. Next question F. 60% of 180 days. First convert the percentage to fraction. 60 by 100 into the quantity 180. Now simplify this. The 0 and the 0 get cancelled. 10 and 18 both goes in 2 table. 2 5s are 10. 2 9s are 18. Multiply 60 into 9. 60 into 9. 9 6 are 54. 540 by 5. 540 and 5 goes in 5 table. 5 1s are 5. 5 10s are 50. 5 is 4. 5 8s are 40. Anything divided by 1 is the number itself. So it is 108 days. Next question, 75% of 400. First let's convert this percentage to fraction. 75 by 100 into the quantity 400. 2 zeros cancel. So we are left with 4. Multiply 75 into 4. 75 into 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 7s are 28. Plus 2, 30. So answer is 300. Next question, 15% of rupees 1200. H, 15% of rupees 1200. First let us convert this percentage to fraction. 15 by 100 and then multiply with the quantity. 2 zeros cancel. Multiply 15 into 12 and write the answer. 15 into 12. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 1 5s are 5. 1 1s are 1. 3 plus 5 is 8. 1 180. So 180 rupees. Next question I, 40% of 120 kg. Convert this percentage to fraction. 40 by 100. Then multiply with the quantity. The 0 and the 0s get cancelled. 10 and 12 both goes in 2 table. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. Multiply 40 into 6. 40 into 6. 6 4s are 24. 240 by remaining 5. Now 240 and 5 both goes in 5 table. 5 1s are 5. 5 4s are 20. 24 minus 20 is 4. 5 8s are 40. Anything divided by 1 is the number itself. So 48 kg.